Okay, the next thing what you need to do after configuring bond0, after creating and configuring bond0 file, next you need to configure the slave remaining two files, that is ifcfg ifcfg sorry vi ifcfg hyphen. Already this was previously I have configured it, you just modify this thing. So here hwddr, keep it if you want to keep it, that is MAC address. Ethernet type is Ethernet, UID are there, all those are there, nm control s. Okay, all these things. Okay, just what you need to add the two things here is, here you must give like this device that you need to insert, sorry, so you must give these two entries must. What are those? After this device is it is not BOOTPROTO none ONBOOT yes, master equal to bond0, slave equal to yes, these entries must. Okay, so master equal to bond0, you must specify the master, because in real time you're having more than one bondings. You must specify which bonding is the owner, which bonding is the master for this NEC card. You must specify which driver, bond driver, in bonding bond0 alias bond0 is bonding now. So bonding you can have a lot of bondings are there, bond0, bond1. Okay, you must specify that bonding, and you must specify slave also. So here whether it is slave or not you must specify it, so yes. Okay, BOOTPROTO ONBOOT sorry, ONBOOT QS, yes. Okay, that's it. Okay, save this file, write these changes to the file w. Okay, this was done. Next we need to do this for the same NEC card also, these things. So but again writing all the entries, we don't have that NEC card entries here. Look here, ls, so we don't have eth1 file. Okay, so in this case what we need to do is just copy the first file, do copy only cp command by using, don't do that with mva. Okay, so ifcfg hyphen eth not to ifcfg hyphen eth1. Okay, look. Okay, eth1 was created. Okay, now change that file, cfc hyphen eth1. I think you understood what I have done. So if you create a fresh file here, that will change automatically now. Okay, for that reason, okay, I have changed this. Okay, just only one entry you need to change. Here is just give this as 1. Okay, so delete this hardware address, because no need of this hardware address by default, uid, all these things. Okay, so if you know hardware address, uid, all those things, so you can keep it. Okay, you can do, but in real time you must aware of all those things, but it is just practice session, I'm omitting all those things. Okay, don't worry. So look here, device equal to eth1, master equal to bond0, slave equal to s. eth1 is also acting as a slave, eth not eth1 both are acting as a slave for bond0. Okay, save it. Okay, that's the third step. Next what you need to do is we have created three files now. Next next thing is you need to change this thing. You need to create a file with the name bond.conf in this directory /etc modprobe.d, where you need to give the interest like this, alias bond0 equal bond0 bonding. Okay, go to, or directly I'm creating the file vi/etc modprobe.d. there the file name is bonding dot conf. It is not existed. We are creating this file by fresh, newly we are creating this. Just one entry you must give here. Why that one is alias bond0. We are specifying that bond0 as bonding. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's all. That is the first step. After that, what you need to do is just restart the network services. Okay, how to restart the network services? Service network restart. Okay, so after doing that, it will be like this bond0. That means then only bringing bond0 is up. Okay, then only you have configured it right. If it is not so, that means there is something problem with the network or network manager or IP tables. You need to recheck it. Okay, IP SC Linux IP tables, all those things. Okay, of course here you are doing it here only network only. You must take care of network and network manager, both the things. Okay, bond0 was I think up here. If you look, bringing up, because previously ETH naught and ETH are two NIC cards. Okay, ETH naught is previously up with some IP address. ETH1 is also up. I think I have shown you at the time of starting. Here, look here. Previously there are two physical NIC cards with this IP. Okay, that was up, and this is also another 129 like this. Okay, now what happened was those two are down. After bonding, I have restarted network now. So that bonding module, what it was doing is it is shutting down ETH0 and ETH1. What it was doing is it is bringing up bond0. That means here bond0 will act as a single NIC card, an individual NIC card. In that bond0 we are having two NIC cards, ETH0 and ETH1 are bonded together. So the load will be on the mode we have given in that bonding options. If it is mode 0, then it will share that alternatively, sequentially. That is ETH0 later ETH1, ETH0 ETH1, the round robin way. If it is more bonding option is 1, that is active backup. So the first NIC card will act as if any by chance if the first NIC card is unplugged or if it is down, then second NIC card will take over. ETH1 will take over. Check whether bonding is up or not by using this command, ifconfig command. Look here, there is another entry, bond0. This is the master of all those things. Here it is up. Okay, here if you look here, ETH0, nothing, no IP address was assigned. Only this IP address was assigned to bond0. Bond0 is the bonding of these two, combination of these two now. Okay, that's why it is showing like that. Okay, ETH1. Okay, so you know LO is a looping address. Okay, like that we can bond it. Okay, so without restarting it, you can do that by like this also, ifcfg-bond0. Okay, next So to check whether the bonding module is loaded properly, of course it was loaded, then only it is doing that. If you have any doubt, you can verify that by using this command lsmod. What lsmod will do is it will list all the modules. Okay, lsmod list all the kernel modules. I'm not in executing this command because it will load, it will give all the modules. It will take some time. Just I want to see only bond grep pipe I bond or bonding. Okay, bonding, it is like this. Okay, forget about all those things. Bond 0, just I'm going to bond 0 now. These are system itself built things, forget about those. We have configured that only. Okay, if you want to see what is the current interface, okay, then execute this one. So look here, the bonding information, it is a process now, so that was saved in this process file proc directories /proc/net bonding bond 0. Okay, so by using cat command, check that entry proc network related files are saved in this directory net bonding bond 0. Okay, look here, the entries. Okay, Ethernet channel bonding driver, is this the driver bonding driver here? At the time of configuration, I have given the bonding option as 0. Bonding mode is 0, round robin. Okay, load balancing, that is also called load balancing. Load balancing means sequentially it will the load will be on ETH0 and ETH1 sequentially, that was changed. Okay, that is called load balancing. Status, my status is up, card neck card is up, it is taking the interval. It is also given by me 100. Bonding options field na, up delay no delay, down delay no delay. Okay, so slave interface ETH0 was up. Okay, ETH1 is also up, but it is round robin na, that's why one card is up, one card down. If we change to second mode, that is mode 1, then one card will be up, other will be down. Okay, that's it. Next, if you want to go further, you can, if you want to attach another card to it and want to detach the or change the currently active. Suppose if you are having ETH0 and ETH1 in this bonding, I want to detach one card. Suppose if one card was there is some hardware failure or something, suppose ETH1 was failed, what I want to do is I want to detach the ETH1, I want to attach a new card, ETH2. Okay, then we will do that by using this command if enslave -c bond 0. You must specify that bonding ETH1. If I want to if I want to add this detach this ETH1 card. Okay, if you want to change that active slaves, then you must use this if enslave -c bond 0 ETH1. Okay, we'll do that. If you want to detach that card, if enslave -d, this, that means it will detach the card. If you want to add that card active status, then you must use -c. If you want to detach it, -d. Okay, so we'll check it. Of course I am not having one more card, just what I will do is just I will change that active slave. If okay, one more thing, the question they may ask, which card is active by using this suppose here I have used round robin, that's why both cards are up. So if one in the second mode one card will be up, second card will be down. That means in active backup mode, first card will be up, second card, suppose for example, second card will be down. In that case, you will easily identify by using that MAC address. If enslave command -c bond 0, suppose ETH1 was given. So because look here, bond 0, change active failed because it is in round robin mode. That's why it was happening. So okay, change it to do some practice, change that mode to 1, bonding mode to 1. Do that. Okay, that's about